Hi, everyone, and welcome to Basecamp, Interface's headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia. We're here to talk to some really smart folks about rubber. We'll hear about the science and design behind Nora rubber flooring. John, we're here to talk rubber, and you've been doing some really incredible things with rubber at Nora. Can you tell us about that?
So at Interface, we think of design in three aspects. First, the design of the product and maybe the aesthetics of the product, the performance of the product and how the construction gets that performance, and then the sustainability attributes of the product. We started that conversation with Nora a few years ago and their design team. One of the ideas is that we design the product to have a voice or to have a feeling or to evoke a feeling. And that challenge has really been embraced. If you mix the material so intensely that you take its voice away, it's not interesting. You can get intensity of color, but that's not the only thing that a material, may have to say. The real question was, how can we mix in such a way that we don't lose the performance of the product, but we can interject interesting coincidences. It's almost a design renaissance in rubber.
Interface unleashed a revolution in sustainability in the flooring industry and in the design industry at large through its focus on carbon footprint. How has that translated to Nora? And what has Nora's journey been with sustainability?
The quotient of all of the products sold at Nora reduced the carbon footprint over a 2-year period of 21%.
Wow, that's almost a 1/5 reduction in carbon footprint. That's an incredible achievement. We just heard about the scientific and technological innovations behind Nora rubber flooring. Now let's find out about design. What does it mean for you if you want to consider rubber flooring for your next project? Mindy, rubber is not a category that's been known for pushing the boundaries on design. It's always been a bit of a workhorse category in the flooring sector. What have you done to change that?
Well, you're exactly right. Historically, rubber has been kind of that utilitarian product, and that has a lot to do with its high performance qualities. But what we've been doing at Interface and with the Nora brand is really kind of elevating the design experience. And what this does is it's giving our customers, our designers, more choice when it comes to the aesthetic possibilities with rubber. It really is moving us into spaces where rubber wasn't considered before, like workplace. We're seeing it in corporate office buildings now as a major statement material on the floor, because you think about the floor, it's a major canvas. What rubber can bring is a similar quality as concrete or terrazzo or limestone, but we can do it without the noise because rubber, absorbs sound. It's not gonna have a lot of reflection throughout the space, so it can really bring some acoustical value. It also brings a lot more comfort underfoot. So when you talk about ergonomics and the comfort of users within a space, these are some qualities that I think it's important to consider because it creates just a better experience for the user.
Do you want to take us through, for example, the terrazzo look and the concrete tiles here, and tell us how you achieved this effect with Nora?
Sure. We have styles that kind of mimic the look of, say, a statement material like limestone or marble, or even where humans get involved with natural material like concrete to get a lot of two-tone effects. This is also going to not only blend with the patterning and some of that kind of micro aggregation, but it'll also create an experience with how light shines on a surface or how it plays and interplays off of a surface, which adds again to the experience. And even getting into some of the terrazzo styles, what I love, what the design team has done here is they've really brought a more nuanced and sophistication to the chip composition. We're actually using 3 different characteristics within the chip, and that's bringing a little more optical depth and just, again, making it feel a little bit more like natural elements or natural materials are being mixed into the finish. It's these little avenues that are going to help designers connect into their design concepts connect into the materiality of a space. And when you couple it with the behaviors and the functionality that we already get with rubber, it really is elevating this whole experience to the expectations of our designers.